Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today we are going to discuss the topic about stomach. First of all, we describe the structure and anatomy of stomach, and the second one I will describe you the how our stomach is act or perform. So let's see what is the anatomy of our stomach. Stomach is basically situated below the diaphragm. Let's see, below the diaphragm. Second one, it is present in our left side of abdominal cavity. Clear? Below the diaphragm, and second one on left side of abdominal cavity. Let's see. This is the exact location of stomach in our body, below the diaphragm and on the left side of our abdominal cavity. And the second one is that what are the parts of stomach? Stomach basically are divided into 4 parts. The first one is at the junction between esophagus and stomach. There is a portion which is called cardia. This one is called, this portion which are green in color, it is called cardia. Cardia, it has a sphincter which is consist of muscles. Basically, it is an sphincter which is under the control of muscle. So this one is called cardiac sphincter, because this sphincter is located on the portion of cardia. So therefore, this name is called cardiac sphincter because it is located inside the cardia. Clear? So this one is esophagus, and this one is your stomach. There is a junction between them, esophagus and stomach. This is cardia, and the sphincter which is present inside it, this is called cardiac sphincter. Okay. The next question is that what is the function of sphincter? Basically, sphincter is act as an opening and closing. When the food come, let's suppose the food is coming from esophagus inside the stomach. So this sphincter will become open. When the sphincter will become open, the whole food is entered into the stomach body. Okay. So this portion is called cardia. Next one, there is an extension of stomach at the level of esophagus. This one is the extension of stomach at the level of esophagus. This portion is called fundus. Right now? So next one, after the fundus, the stomach is slight or further downward move, and this portion is called body of stomach. So first one cardia, second one fundus, and third one is body, and the fourth one portion, this is called pyloric portion. Okay, this one, last one is a pyloric portion, and at the base of pyloric portion there is also a sphincter present. There is an sphincter, same as the cardiac sphincter. It is also under the control of, this one is also under the control of muscle. So actually this is present at the side of pyloric region. So therefore this sphincter is also called pyloric sphincter. After that sphincter, the next portion will start is duodenum. The duodenum is the part of small intestine. So there are four parts of stomach. The first one is cardiac, second one is fundus, and the third one is body, and the fourth one is pyloric portion. So these are four parts of stomach. Okay, next, this is the basic anatomy of stomach in your body. Okay, next one, how many layers of stomach are present? Basically, three layers of stomach are present. The first one is outer layer. This one is the outer layer. The outer layer, if I talk about what is the composition of outer layer, the outer layer is consists of a tissue. That tissue is called connective tissue. So the outer layer is composed of a tissue which is called connective tissue. Next one is an middle layer. So when we move inside the stomach, then the second layer will come. So this one is the second layer. Second layer or middle layer. So if I talk about what is the composition of second or middle layer, the middle layer is consists of muscle. That muscles are called smooth muscles. So you know that there are three muscles present in our body. The first one is skeletal muscle, and the second one is smooth muscle, and the third one is cardiac muscle. So if I talk about the middle layer of stomach, the middle layer of stomach is consist of a muscle which are called smooth muscles, and smooth muscles are involuntary. Involuntary mean these are not under the control of our body. So smooth muscles are present in three layers. Smooth muscles, the first one is outer muscles. The outer muscles are the outer muscles are in longitudinal way or pattern. These are along the side of stomach wall. Let's see this. This one is along the side of stomach wall. These are longitudinal muscle. And the second one is inner side, which are black in color. These muscles are called circular muscles, which are present around the stomach wall. Longitudinal alongside the stomach wall, and circular muscle around the stomach wall. So two patterns of muscles are present in the middle layer of stomach. Clear? And next one, these are muscles which are oblique muscles. So three patterns are present of stomach smooth muscles in the stomach. The first one longitudinal, second one circular, and third one is oblique muscle. So this is the second layer of stomach. The outer one connective tissue, outer one is connective tissue, and the second or middle one is smooth muscle. Okay, next the last layer of muscle. The last layer of muscle is present inner side of the stomach wall. So let's see where is the last and inner layer of stomach. So let's see, this is the inner layer of, let's see this is the inner layer of stomach wall, which is attached with the further many glands. So let's see, these are the glands which are present inside the inner layer of muscles. There are special glands. So if I talk about what are these glands, these are glands which are basically secrete and juice. You know that wherever the word gland will come, it's mean it's secrete and juice. So let's see, this is the inner layer of stomach wall with many glands. So these are the glands that are called gastric gland. That gland which are present in the inner side of stomach wall, these glands are called gastric gland. And if I talk about what they are secrete and what is their composition, so the gastric glands are composed of further 3 cells. The further 3 cells, let's see what are these cells. These cells are of 3 types. The first one is that there is mucus cell. First one is a mucus cell. So what the mucus cells secrete? The mucus cells secrete and mucosa. The first one, mucus cell which secrete and mucosa, and the second one is parietal cell or axanthic cell.